today's vlog. Today I'll be making easy chocolate fudge from the Carnation website. You will need 400 grams of dark chocolate, 1 can of condensed milk, 25 grams of unsalted butter, and 100 grams of icing sugar. In mine, I'll also use some chopped chips and some marshmallows. Break the chocolate into small chunks until you have 400 grams. If you are using the same method as me by heating it over a heat, you need to put it all in a non-sticky saucepan. You can also melt it in the microwave at 10 to 20 seconds bursts. So into the pan you will add 25 grams of butter in and your condensed milk. Make sure you scrape the sides of your tin to get all of it in. Switch the hob onto a low-medium heat occasionally. You'll need to do this until it is smooth and silky and everything is melted. And take it off of the heat. You sieve in your icing sugar. Now mix. You can use an electric hand whisk to do this. Get all the icing sugar, chips and marshmallows or whatever filling you are using. And give it a mix, adding more if you need to. You've finished mixing it, all your ingredients that you want to add into it, pour it into your tray. You'll need a 20cm tray and line it with greaseproof paper. Using a special tray that doesn't need to be lined with greaseproof paper. It all out so it's all smooth, or as smooth as you can get it. You might find it useful if you use a metal spoon to do this. It should now look something like this. If you want, you can decorate it on top like I'm about to do with some more chopped chips and marshmallows. Congratulations, you are finished for now. What you need to do is put it in the fridge for an hour at least, or until it has set. Then you can cut it into equal pieces, ready to eat. Once it has set, take it out of the fridge. Then take it out of the tray and put it onto a chopping board, ready to cut. If you want to, you can dust it a little bit with some icing sugar. Now cut into equal pieces, or equal-ish pieces. And that's it done. You can find this recipe and more on the Carnation website, link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time in my next video. This tastes delicious. Hi guys, welcome to this. Amigos! Hey dudes!